Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Peptic Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to change Microsoft Word language. Okay, so you have to just make some settings to change the language. So this process I'm going to show you some process and settings. These settings will change not only Microsoft Office language, it will be change all app under the Microsoft Office. Okay, so it will be change language in Excel also, PowerPoint also, every app for Office. Okay, so just let me open Microsoft Word. So it is applicable for all app, okay, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint and all. Okay, so under the Microsoft Office I have opened the Word app and just open any blank or existing file. Okay, so you can see I have English now. My default language is English now. So if I can change from here, just go to the file and go to the option, then the option window will be open. Now just click on language. In language you can see the all language that you have add, or by default there is a 2 or 3 language. So this is my preferred language English, so I can make this Hindi language which I prefer. So if I click on this set prefer, so it will be move up and my all my Microsoft Office app language will be changed. Okay, along with the word also. Okay, so if you don't find here that your desired language, so you can add the language. Just click on add language, or maybe this option you will find here, add language. If you don't use the updated Office, then you will find this option here. Okay, just click on add language, then just select the language, or you can set the Office display language also. Okay, so just search the language or select the language. So I just search Bengali. Okay, there is a Chinese, English, United Kingdom. I just add and click on install. Okay, okay, so if now this Office language will be prepared and install automatically to your Microsoft Word or Office application. You need to just click on OK. But if you're not using the updated Office application or window, that maybe the file one file will be download in your download section, then you need to just open it, then it will be take to the browser of official browser of Office, and then from there you have to download your desired language. After downloading desired language, it will be installed, it will be downloaded your computer, then you have to click on it and it will be installed. But in my case I just need to click OK, then all this process will do automatically. Okay, so just click on OK. If you got this pop up like me, just click on OK, then your installation will be start and your download will be start. It takes few minutes. After this complete, you the all Office application will be closed, or you need to close. You will get the pop up that close the all application of Office. Okay, so I don't want to install that, but this is a simple process. Just click on it, it will be add here, then reopen. Okay, so I think I just click the OK, so it will be like okay, it will be download and background, and it will be installed. Now after complete all process, you have to come back here and just select the language that you have downloaded, and just click on set preference. It will be preference your language, and your all Office application language will be changed along with the word. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.